In this podcast, we're going to be looking at methods of joining. There are 4 you need to know: epoxy resin, polystyrene cement, tensile cement, and polyvinyl acetate or PVA. The first material we're going to look at is epoxy resin, sometimes called Araldite, which is a brand name. This glue is made up of a hardener and a resin which have to be mixed together. This glue is used to join any material to any material, such as wood to metal, wood to plastic, plastic to metal. The advantages of this type of method is that its high performance adhesives give very high strength bonds. Its chemical reaction hardens immediately. The glue is also very versatile and can be made flexible or rigid, transparent or opaque or coloured, is rapid or slow setting, and has excellent heat and chemical resistance. The disadvantage of this glue is it takes a number of days to reach full strength, it's expensive, and often requires manual mixing of resin and hardener, which can be messy. The second joining method we're going to look at is polystyrene cement. This type of glue works by slightly melting the surface of each of the pieces of plastic until they dry and bond together. This glue is used to stick polystyrene and polystyrene together. It should not be used on expanded polystyrene, as this glue will dissolve the surface. The advantage of this type of joining method is that it provides a strong bond due to melting of the surface, which causes them to weld together. This glue is able to be brushed, applied like a water consistency, and absorbed into the joint by capillary action, allowing the joint to be accurate. The disadvantage is it's relatively expensive, it's solvent based, so contains harmful volatile organic compounds. The third method of joining is tensile cement, which is used to join 2 pieces of acrylic together. The advantage of this glue is that it produces a high strength bond between 2 sheets of acrylic. The glue is also clear, so if 2 sheets of acrylic are glued together correctly, you will not be able to see the joint. The disadvantage of this joining method is that the 2 pieces of acrylic need to be clamped together for 24 hours to give a permanent joint, and this type of glue is solvent based and contains a number of volatile organic compounds which are harmful to the environment. The last joining method we're going to look at is polyvinyl acetate, or called PVA. This glue is used for woods and other porous materials such as styrofoam and paper. It gives a very strong joint, dries clear, and is relatively inexpensive. However, the surface needs to be securely clamped together for long periods for PVA to harden, and most PVA glues are not waterproof. That concludes this section of the revision. If you have any questions, please come and speak to me.